Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to skip Meta verified waitlist. Alright, so let's begin. If you open Instagram and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, then tap on the first option, which is Settings and Privacy, you can see the Account Center at the top. Scroll down and click on Meta Verified. Here it says Join Waitlist. Now, there's only one option to skip this waitlist process, but the downside is that you need to be an established public figure. Here's how you can do it. In the search bar, type Request. You'll see the option Request Verification. Click on that, then go through the process of entering your full name, providing documents, and confirming your notability. You need to be a notable figure in the public space. After that, you will need to put your links and submit the request. Keep in mind, if you're an average person, chances are you'll be declined. However, if you're notable on social media or in the public eye, you can skip the waitlist by following this process. That's the only way to bypass the Meta verified waitlist. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.